Okay guys, so in this video we will talk about events. Events are two types like instance events and volume events. So there used to be some time that AWS can schedule events for your instances such as reboot, start, stop or retirement. Like there is some issue at the back end and they want to restart the service. They want to reboot your instance, right? Or maybe they want to stop and start your instances because it is getting retired or the physical hardware is not well, the underlying physical hardware is not well and they want to move your instance to new underlying hardware. So in those events, AWS schedule your instances for moving the servers or basically for rebooting, and for that particular period or for the timing you will get the event, like what will be the scheduled time where you need to do that. Similarly, volume events are also there, right? And if there is some data where it is potentially inconsistent, it disable input output of the volume from any attached EC2 instance by default. This will cause basically your status check to fail, and it will create a volume status event that include the cause of failure. So there are could be two type of failures like instance event and volume events. And for such event notification, you can find them into your this console, events console. And if there is any underlying hardware is getting retired or if there is any EC2 instance need to be rescheduled, you will get the notification into this console. So when you have a big environment, you can have a look, or you can get up the or you can get the notification as well via email that your instance is getting retired and you need to stop and start your server. So that activity you need to do. Okay. So I hope it is clear. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, feel free to move to next video. Thank you for watching this video.